Before we get into today's video, I want to take a moment to explain why this train and this moment means so much to me. This is my first video on the channel and it felt right that it should be about the Class 455 because in many ways these trains are where my love for the railway really began. For me, it goes back to the early 2010s, school trips, packed platforms, that unmistakable sound of the Vosloo Cape, motor, AC traction being the 455 rolling in. Trips to Hampton Court, standing with friends half asleep in the morning, and of course the excitement of heading down to Chessington South for days out at Chessington World of Adventures. Back then, you don't think about rolling stock or fleet numbers or errors ending. You just know that the train you take, it's familiar, it's reliable, it's part of the background of growing up. And now, more than 10 years later, here we are. The Class 455 is reaching the end of its story, and somehow I've been lucky enough to be part of its final chapter. I had the privilege of taking one last in-service journey, travelling from Clapham Junction to Shepperton and back to Clapham Junction, knowing that this wasn't just another trip, this was a goodbye. Not just a train, but to a piece of routine, of memory and of time. So this video isn't just about traction motors or timetables. It's about what the Class 455 meant to the people who grew up with it, myself included. Thank you for being here for the video. This is the Class 455, end of an era. Here are some context for the people that don't really know too much about the Class 455s. The Class 455s are 4-car electric multiple units built by BREL at York between 1982 and 1985. They are Mark III derived in construction, so that tough steel-bodied second-generation British rail approach, but configured for the inner suburban life. No first class, no toilets, and built for frequent stops and heavy passenger turnover. Basically, they weren't designed to be glamorous, they were designed to be useful. Part 1. 1980s to 1990s. Why the 455 existed. Early 80s suburban crisis. By the late 70s into the early 80s, the southern region still had a lot of older suburban stock. Think slam door era fleets that were getting tired, maintenance heavy, and not ideal for the kind of intensive metro service London needed. So British Rail goes for a modern 4-car suburban unit, and that becomes the Class 455. What were they like when new, and the clever bit of recycling? Here's a very British Rail detail. The 455s were built using recycled DC traction equipment, originally from older southern region stock. So they're new trains, but with a real thread of continuity in what's underneath. It's like putting a modern body on a drivetrain you already know you can maintain. The subclasses, /7, /8, /9, with 9. Don't overthink it. Same basic concept, different batches and details. In total, 137 4-car sets were formed overall, and different operators end up with different slices of the fleet. The easiest way to think of it is the same family, slightly different siblings. Network Southeast era and Waterloo commuting culture. In the 80s and into the early 90s, the 455s became a familiar part of the network. Southeast identity, fast loading, frequent service patterns, big commuter flows. They're doing the unglamorous work, the constant start-stop rhythm of London suburban rail. NSE branding, busy platforms, close-up of doors controls and destination blinds. The 1990s, privatisation and operator handovers. The 90s hit, and Britain's railway structure changes completely. In February 1996, the southwestern side of the Class 455 story moves into Southwest Trains era, and you start to see liveries and branding evolve from the old stock Network Southeast look into the new operator identity. Decades. So, that's the Class 455 story. A suburban machine that never pretended to be luxury, just always there doing the job. If you rode them regularly, tell me your most vivid 455 memory in the comment sections. And if you're an enthusiast, what's the one detail you think casual passengers never notice but should? Tight today. I have to be at Clapham Junction by 12:55 because real-time trains shows all other trains just being the Class 350s and the new Class 710s. However, This is the last ever time I get to get on the 455 trains to Shepperton, so don't forget to like and subscribe, because this is going to be a very tribute to the train. And it will be my last ever time, because I've never been on this train since 2010. But the memories it served, the excitement, the sounds, especially when I was going to Chessington every time, I'll remain forever guilty if I don't ever get the chance to. So yeah, enjoy. Got to run, because we have to make this.
Bloody something coming out there.
It's nice. You don't see this every day.
No, you don't. Oh look, the Santa Claus. Someone said they're coming up from Wimbledon Park.
But only as far as Wimbledon, okay.
So they're currently Woking, or gone past Woking. So through Wimbledon, just after. Back in time, it's Weybridge.
Dash out and get a picture and get It's alright if the driver knows you're doing it.
Yeah.
Nice sound effects.
Yeah. It's so nice to hear this, because you don't hear that on any more trains anymore. It's really cool.
It used to take it for granted, but yeah.
Shepperton railway station. Next stop is Fulham. Next stop is Fulham. Thank you.
So that all.
It's like if a train is leaving at the same time as well.
Yeah.
That's what the hope for. That's if you're going to Waterloo.
Yeah.
I can probably check.
No, it's all right. Because I'm hoping to get the Hampton Olympia to photograph the steam train on its next trip round, and that's 3:34. So I need to get away. Make sure I get away from Clapham by 3:10. It's a bit tight then. Yeah. No, I'll get off Clapham Junction and go.
So where is it you guys are going to capture the steam train?
Well, what it does, it starts Victoria, goes out, it goes to basically Willesden Junction, but it goes up through Olympia and then back the other way. So, because the steam engines are the back at Olympia, but you can still photograph it, you know. So that's what we did earlier. We don't know each other, we just met each other then. Yeah, it'd be dark by then, isn't it? I mean, it's 4 o'clock and it's pretty much the light's gone at the moment, isn't it? Yeah. It's the shortest day tomorrow, isn't it?
It's Grimston.
Right. That's unusual territory for a 5 tons. Number of 455s I've probably seen over the years. Not even sort of bothered taking a photograph of it. You know, just so common.
Nice shots on the booking. Lovely shots on the booking. You know, coming out the tunnel, going in the tunnel.
Yeah.
Lovely sunshine all down there for the bus day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll be going to Epsom.
Right.
And then Kingston, and then we'll be going along the district line as well. East Partley, Wimbledon,
Oh, right.
Hellsmere, and the Portsmouth Direct line.
Yeah.
I feel like Wimbledon will be a nice place to get shots as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see Barnes, 4:15.
The first departure will be at 10:30 a.m.
Right.
from London Waterloo.
And the other one's an hour later, isn't it?
I believe so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is, yeah.
Yeah, I think I might call it quits for the day. Mess now on that one.
Well, at our way, every weekend it's changed anyway.
Yeah.
So. Well, that's Twickenham Stadium over there, isn't it?
Hang on, we think it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
There is a mock-up of 345. I don't know where it is, but I know there is a mock-up that's having toilet cubicle and luggage racks. They're assessing it to see whether it can be put into practice cheaply. It's got to be done, you know, within the budget. But he was telling me that, well, he works at Church Lane, but it's not there. He said, so don't bother coming up here. He said, it's not, you know. But they're assessing it because when they built the terminal point at Shenfield, the turnbacks, they've got all the underground sewage disposal system.
Right.
All it needs is the top stuff put in on the things.
Yeah.
So they can service them.
They could, yeah.
They can't. At the moment they can't. And now our dear friends at in the Beauty Park area are belly aching. They'd like Elizabeth Line extended out.
Extended there. Oh, I see.
Well, it won't happen because it's too far.
No.
It's too far. Where is Twickenham? No, it's right.
on the South Western Railway service along Waterloo. Next stop is Richmond. Next stop is Richmond. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, that's when he put his foot down after Richmond, and it is non-stop Richmond Clapham, isn't it? Sure, it wasn't the way down.
Yeah. Because we're even gonna skip like St Margaret's station.
Yeah.
To head down to.
Yeah. Yeah, we did the way down.
Because I think with the
That's
new.
St Margaret's.
Oh, what's that?
No, it's off there.
Oh, probably yellow signal.
Yeah.
Oh, and it says 20 miles as well. Probably track switch.
So do you say the farewell tours coming around the Wimbledon Putney bit? Oh, that's what I said. Oh, God. Years. The last time I went to that was a steam train, believe it or not. That's about 30 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Mind you, it was pretty grand when we were there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just getting a bit of space. Probably my last bit on a 455 this, so close to it.
Yeah. Well, I wasn't coming out tomorrow for it. We've got things going on, so I might just come out in the afternoon, get a couple of shots if the weather's reasonable. But
When you're walking along here, you can imagine the people that have houses here when the 455s were in the peak times. It must be nice to see it just right by. So close as well.
Yeah. Cheers, good luck.
See ya. I think I'll do that Galloway at KO.
Nobody can be uncomfortable with leg room there, is there? Perfect, yeah.
Because with the newer trains, some of them are.
You're up here.
Yeah.
Seats there.
Speaking, welcome to the next service is Clapham Junction. The next service is Clapham Junction. Thank you.
This bit of station is nice.
Yeah.
I used to do a lot of development work up here.
Yeah.
We did a load of work where you weren't allowed to build beyond
Yeah.
10 stories.
Yeah.
Whatever. Now, you know, I mean, we had a hell of an argument. That was very wrong. That was a hell of an argument. They would not let us go above 5 stories. It's not worth developing, isn't it? You know, 20 years later, 16, 18, 20. You know,
Right.
All right. This is it.
abandoned hope or what you leave here already.
Yep.
Well, that would be shot on the other side. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I might do that. So, are you gonna...